Good day, friends. In this new video I will show you this very old 30 minutes videotape VHS compact, VHS C, it means VHS compact videotape. I haven't seen any cameras who use extra play mode. I saw standard play mode and long play mode, but extra play mode on mini VHS compact cameras in early 2000 I never seen before. So there is if you use this tape in extra play mode, you can write 3 times more minutes on this tape, but extra play mode are so unusual because video quality are much more worst than on standard play, because on standard play video quality are much more better. Okay, black magnetite, quite made in Japan. Wow, I don't know, in maybe it's very old camera, very old, one of the first video cameras. Also you see a 62 meters long tape, premium high grade. I buy this camera for €1. I pay €1 for, and I buy this one. Okay, so let's try open this like Christmas. I feel like a Christmas tree. Well, you know, super. It's very exciting for me because this tape is so old, very old tape, and I can open with you this old tape. Wow. Okay. Okay, so so old tape. Wow, it's very old, very old. I feel like a Christmas today, and I really gonna show you this really old tape. Wow, friends, it's amazing. Wow, just look at that. Okay, let's open this old tape. Let's open it. It's so exciting. I really want to open this old tape. I really want to open this old tape. Wow, just look at that, friends. Wow, it's a little bit broken. Oh, not good, but it's gold maxell. Wow, maxell. Wow, made in Japan. Never it's like a virgin tape. I'm very exciting. Okay, as you see that this is a rec protection mode, like on and off. When you choose it off, you never write on this tape. Wow, this is a passport. Wow, standard play and extra play, and where is long play mode? I don't know. Wow, just look at that, friends. Just look at that old passport. Wow. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. Oh my goodness, so old tape. It's very amazing tape. I'm so exciting, and I don't know how about you, but I'm really exciting. Oh, I am a first man who touched this tape after long period of years. Okay, why don't we make some movie, friends? I have a movie camera. VHS C, it means VHS compact PAL color mode. Okay, and let's try to open this camera. Oh, wow. So exciting. Wow. First time it's a virgin tape in my camera. After many years, after a very long period, I open it and press. Wow. Nothing happened. Because we need to power button on. Okay. Why don't we make some movie? Why don't we make some movie? Okay. Okay, why don't we make some movie? Let's make some movie. Let's start. This is my hand. Wow. Stop. Okay, and choose the right mode. VCR mode, video cassette recorder mode. Choose this one, press this button, and as you see, okay, play mode, use this one, and now we should see a little bit movie on this old tape. Wow! What has happened? Oh wow! Oh wow! One more time. Second chance. Okay, VCR mode, camera mode. And I want to write something. Start mode. Okay. This is so exciting. Okay. So we better use a zoomer. Zoom level and just so exciting. Let's make some movie. Okay, choose right mode, choose Windows. Okay, choose press stop, pause. Okay, choose VCR mode, choose okay, play. Why? It's a little bit not normal. Probably this is very old tape, and you cannot write something on this. Oh, new image. Wow, it's working. It's my hand. This is a wow. This is a keyboard. This is my laptop. Wow! Could you believe it? It's working. So old tape, and it is working. I'm very sorry, I have no sound on this camera. I need to plug in a TV set, and we have a sound, but there's a image without sound. Wow, it's really impressed me much. More than 60 years, and good quality. Very good quality, I think. Wow. Wow. Cool. I like it. It's really impressed me much. Wow. Friends, it's really amazing. It's really amazing. I couldn't believe it. Wow, it's working. As you see, this old tape, maxell tape, a very good tape, and it's working. So it's really exciting. Okay, shut down my camera, power button off, in off mode, and let's try to open this deck, eject tape. Surprise! Very old tape. Smell, even smell good. Wow, it's so exciting. Wow, really cool. I like this. I like this tape, really. It's not much, just 30 minutes, but I like. Press like for this tape. It's old, but it's very good. It's still good. It's still good. It's virgin tape. No one can touch before. Which one better? This one or this one? This one or this one? Well, maybe this one. I choose this one. Okay? Okay. So beautiful. Like a brand new tape. Oh, no. Sorry for my English, guys, it's not perfect, I know that, but I very like old cameras. Okay, and one more in this. Is so good, it's so exciting. Wow. As you see, there are this one. Okay. So press like for this good tape, and it's really exciting. I really like this tape. Really like this box. Yes, it's really amazing, friends. It's really amazing. It's really exciting. Okay, bye, friends. Until next video. It will be happen soon, as soon as it's possible. Press like for this old tape. It's working. It's still working. And you saw that. Okay, bye friends. Bye.